You remember he said he's an SDA. Is he an SDA?
Okay, I never listened very well, and if I can confirm, I thought he said 7th D. So I thought
Okay,
that there
anyway.
is a 7th D club along the highway when you are going to Nakuru. So I was thinking he was referring to that 7th D.
There's a club called 7D.
Have you sworn an individual affidavit before the Senate?
No.
You have told this Senate that you expected the system to register your abstinence, your abstained vote. True?
Yes.
Which system?
The electronic voting system.
Did you log into it?
We didn't have
Did
a
you,
gadget.
Anita, log into it?
But log in where?
My apologies. Anita, did you log into the system?
We didn't have a system to log in.
Did you log into the link that was given to you?
I didn't have an option of logging in.
Mr. Speaker, may I have my question answered? I have 1 minute to finish this list.
Yes, the witness just answer the question.
Did you log into the system?
I didn't have a system to log in.
I'm asking whether in fact you logged into it, whatever the circumstances.
But where?
Mr. Speaker, may I have my question answered? This is now becoming disturbing.
Witness, once again, you are now pondering to becoming a hostile witness.
Take that as a warning.
The question the way you asked, just yes or no. Don't ask the council questions.
Anita, did you in fact log into the system?
No.
Did you press the abstain button?
I didn't have a button to press.
Did you press an abstain button?
No.
Nevertheless, you expected that system to register your abstained vote.
But which system?
Nevertheless, you expected that system to register your abstained vote.
But which system?
Mr. Speaker, may I once again have my question answered, whether that was expectation?
Madam Witness, can you answer those questions looking at me? Maybe when you look at him, you are becoming a bit... look at this side and answer the questions.
Thank you. Notwithstanding that you didn't press the abstained button, you nevertheless expected the system to register your abstained vote. Is that a correct position?
Come up again?
Notwithstanding that you didn't press the abstain option in the system, you expected to register your abstain vote.
I didn't have a gadget to press the abstain button.
Did you have your phone in the chamber?
I had my phone until 1 p.m. when my phone went off power.
Did you have your phone in the chamber?
It was somewhere. But
did you have
power.
your phone in the chamber?
I think so.
Did you in fact have your phone in the chamber, Anita?
I had my phone until it went off and I took it off.
So you had your phone in the chamber?
For about 3 hours.
So in fact you had your phone in the chamber, as a matter of fact?
For about 3 hours.
What's the answer to that question, Mr. Speaker, on whether in fact she had my phone? I can't get the answer to that question. And I think the witness is now bordering on rudeness now, not just being hostile. I've been very polite to all witnesses in this assembly because it's my professional duty to be. But they have no corresponding right to be rude to me. I'm a professional discharging my professional duty. I deserve respect. She is disrespectful.
Council, you know you have no mandate to judge. It's me, that's my work. So
yes.
Mine is only to request that to answer your questions. Don't make the judgment. That is the work of the chair.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm pleading with that to answer your questions directly.
Yes, I was making a submission inviting you to make that judgment, Mr. Speaker.
You are provoking me to do that.
My apologies.
Or inciting me to say what you want.
No, Mr. Speaker. I was making a submission so that you then...
So, witness, Madam Anita, honorable member, just answer those questions as fast as possible because I can see the council is constrained by time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, am I allowed to just say no answer?
Yes, no, yes.
Okay.
Did you, in fact, have your phone in the chamber?
No answer.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know what to do now, but I will beseech you to intervene now more coercively. May I request my time be paused in the circumstances because I have no contribution to what she's doing.
Witness, what is the problem? Council representing the governor. Can you stand down the witness if she is not ready to respond and call another witness?
May I proceed, Mr. Speaker?
Proceed.
Madam Anita, do you in fact have your phone in the chamber?
Yes.
Do you remember you contributed to this impeachment motion?
I said yes for 3 hours.
Do you remember you contributed to this impeachment motion in the chamber?
Yes for 3 hours.
Do you remember you read your contribution from your phone and that became an issue in the course of the debate?
Yes for 3 hours.
In your affidavit before this Senate, have you disclosed these conversations you had with the IT staff on the eve of the vote?
No.
The inclusion of electronic voting in your standing orders happened in October last year. True or not true?
Come up again?
The amendment to the standing orders to introduce electronic voting happened in October 2024. True or not true?
True.
Have you had a motion requiring a division in that assembly since then, before this impeachment one?
We have not done anything that required us to vote since the time that the standing orders were changed.
Thank you. So this is the first time a motion requiring a division arose since the amendment to the standing orders. True or not true?
Not true.
Which other motion requiring a division has ever arisen since October last year when you made the amendments?
There was a removal of our Deputy Speaker, Dr. Eric, at some point after the standing orders were changed, and we expected the electronic voting system to be used then.
Give us the month when you removed the Deputy Speaker.
Around November, but we can check.
So you're not sure of the month?
I'm not sure of the dates, but it was after the standing orders had been changed.
Are you sure of the date and the month?
I can consult.
I've asked whether you are sure so that we put it on the record.
November.
You're sure of that month?
Yes.
And that's all in my cross-examination of this witness.
The phone, calling, talking with my friends, talking with my honorable members, is this one.
Thank you. Thank you. Senator, may we proceed?
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. May I quote Article 159, 2D? I had looked at it. Justice should or shall be administered without undue regard to procedural technicalities. This being a key witness, Honorable Speaker, I would have wished that you allow him to speak in a language that he is most comfortable, including putting the leader of majority on oath so that he can interpret to us. But now, since that is already passed by events.
It's already passed. Concentrate on the questions.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, you can see and you can hear that part of what he's saying is extremely important. And you actually have seen that he's struggling. Maybe two very, very quick questions that I want to ask to the witness, Honorable Trump. Number one, this link that was sent for you to vote, was it sent to the phone that you have there?
Yes, it's here.
Or the phone that was sent by the PA?
No. I was given by the ICT people in the office of where the election was made.
Maybe allow me to ask the question.
Next question, that one is answered.
I was not voting at home. I was voting in the assembly.
Now, my second question, that link that was sent to that phone, did you attempt to open it? Did you attempt to open that message that was sent to your phone?
When I was in assembly, I left my phone in the car. This one.
So you came and found the
I
message?
found after that the message is there.
Then maybe finally,
And that message is still there up to now.
maybe finally, because I personally believe that you are telling the truth. So, which judge do you are?
Judge.
Your time is up, Senator Medhu.
Kanisa gani?
Senator Medhu, resume your seat.
You want to know my judge? Wonders. I'm a Christian. Wonders judge.
Various people within the team. No. Just answer my question regarding Weldon Kipyegon Langat. You interacted with him in his capacity as who?
frankly, we don't know his capacity.
You met a stranger whose capacity you don't know and began discussing with him this system. Is that the correct position?
Yes, but he
Thank
wasn't
you,
a
thank you.
stranger.
Let me make progress. Let's now go to the substance of your report. Your report is at volume 5 of the governor's document from page 29 to page 37. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
But then let me pause back a little, Madam Speaker. Pause, not go there. Let me put some question first. Who contracted you as a professional to do this report? Who was your client in preparing this report?
We were brought in by the lawyers.
Who was your client? You know, a client is somebody who is known. Lawyer is a generic word. Who was your client? Who is paying your fees? Who is your client?
It's the governor's team, which includes the lawyers and the consultants.
Did you talk to a particular person to do this work? A particular human being by name? Did a particular person contract you? Or was the letter signed by a particular person?
Please repeat.
Counsel, you know that question is answered. He's given you the tip.
I don't drink. Completely. I'm a Seventh-day Adventist. I voted once, Council.
You voted for Kipet, and you called him and told him, let me give you 400 so that you swear an affidavit to say, I have 200. 200 plus Dubai plus Rwanda.
Council, that clip is not me.
But the voice is exactly this one, Honorable Ogonya. How do you explain that?
Council, the person who was talking in that clip was a bit drunk. I'm not drunk. I don't even drink.
We would like the people of Kericho and people who voted for you to hear you say this. You're saying you don't drink.
I don't, Council.
Completely.
You know, Council.
You or you don't drink?
Mr. Speaker.
No, the issue of drinking you've raised.
Let me clarify.
Do you drink or you don't?
I don't drink.
Completely.
I'm a Seventh-day Adventist.
The moment you are a Seventh-day Adventist, you don't drink.
You know, Council.
Okay, let's leave that issue.
You asked me, was your vote, was your BA vote for you? It was not vote for me. Because if it was vote for me, this thing, he has no title assembly. The message of assembly is there. And it is existing up to now. How can my BA have a stamp which show Kericho County Assembly? The message is there. If my BA vote for me, you could have sent me a message which say, BA vote for you. Huh? But the title is Kericho County Assembly, which my BA yes, no, that stamp for Kericho County Assembly.
In a nutshell, we are saying that there is a witness affidavit supported by documents running from page 1 of volume 4A, running from page 4 of volume 4A to page 44 of volume 4A, giving you an audit trail of this voting process. Nothing can be a clearer explanation of a verifiable and accountable system of voting than a system that generates this kind of audit trails. So you can't fault a system that can generate this volume of audit trails and say it is faulty. Number two, you have been told that these MCAs are not technologically advanced and will not vote. Pages 1 to page 3 of that volume 4A is evidence of Kericho County Assembly buying for these MCAs laptops to technologically enable them way back in September 2024. Way back in September 2024, and therefore the Assembly has done its part. What is the correct approach to this objection, Mr. Speaker? I suggest that, Mr. Speaker, the matters raised in this objection be subsumed in the trial. These matters be tested through the trial, and these matters be determined as part and parcel of the questions of fact and law that this Senate shall deal with at the voting stage of this motion. I respect you, Mr. Speaker, and I rest the County Assembly's case.